Now start remove that bolter and wire. Was easy. Just that one thread I am not so happy from. I have to change this bolt. Overhead it start be bigger. Okay, and we have to take out disconnect here. This is must be 2 hands. Yeah, and here, because of that loom it's big, I put zip tie, so this one it's out, and I have this one here. So now we should be free to start removing this. This is a 93 model, and I bought one throttle body from 95 model, and the number here is, I checked it before, is very important label, something 2552, I remember 225. I will check after. Yeah, this one is good, this one is good. I think everyone is out. Yeah, this hose here, which goes to the back side here. Don't want to destroy it. Oh, this connect stay here. You have to take out this one out. First I have to remove this connect here, and after we have the spring, this one, which holds on the other bracket. I do like this. I don't want to, yeah, it should be straight, like that. Now this one here, we don't want it will be fly, so we have to use from here, like that. Forward and like that. So now he can stays. Actually, I can connect to that spring. Maybe just lay like this. Now we see if the old unit goes out. Yeah, but it connect himself again. Oh, by the way, this hose we have to disconnect. This one I have a new, and this is old one. I have a two new one with connects. So you have to, yeah. Now let's disconnect this one. We see, yeah. Bye. It's ready here. Maybe this one open. Yeah. This is very complicated actually. Both it's out. All the problem is from this hose actually. Try turn this. No space. Electric is good. Now turn this. And stays here. Things, it's very tight. The cable is good. I think I have to do this from the other side. Finally, don't ask me how it came out. I didn't know. This is the old gasket. I have to clean in there. I put it last time first this with silicone. I think the best it's fitting the gasket directly in the throttle body, in the down. Yeah. The throttle body, this number 5225. So now I have to cleaning little here and see what to do more. And by the way, this donut, I moved, they turn, but not from inside. For replacing this donut, I was think, but I have to move the manifold, including this hose of water out and many bolts. One there, and second, I think the 8 pieces here inside, one there, second, and third, where is there inside, yeah, and fourth here, yeah, this one, and for other side is the same. But in that time I have the both manifold gasket, but I prefer to, if I can, only move the upper side and changing that 8 donut. This one stays hard. This is other subject, but when I am here, with smoke test, there is no leaks here. I'll use some brake cleaner. What is this small? I think it's ready now. body, which is numbered like this. Hmm. 301415225. This one, you can see there, this is, I don't see the same numbers actually. Looking the same here and there. Yeah. 22534. 220. Yeah, this is that one. And before, last time when I take this one, I wrote this number 000141 55225, and I see this holder. It's in better shape. I have a 3 of them for this one, so I will be choose the best of these. I think this one is good. Yeah, this one. And to follow this hose, it's just right here in the down, and this is the hose would go all the way for the AZL. And if I will be remove it from here and blow all the way, it should be tight here. I remove it from here. We see one thing like that. Will be blow. Yeah, it's tight. And stick to my tongue. Good. Replacing this hose. Like this. It was good. And I think this is that one from Fib. Not matching in the first. We have to put here before we put it back. To compare them, this one it's still have a little flex, but this one it's more though, more flexible. Now to put it this, the best way is to press on that pipe like that. center like this. Squeezing. Like this. And which one is touching now? And no, it's not like this. For taking this one in this side, it's little space here. I think the secret is with that pipe. If pipe go first, to push on the pipe, on the hose. This is really hard.